How to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. Hello everyone, joining a Microsoft Teams meeting is straightforward and there are several ways to do it. Today I'll walk you through all the methods you can use to join a Teams meeting seamlessly. First of all, you can join from Teams calendar. So launch Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar. Click on the meeting you want to join. You can join the meeting before or during its scheduled time by pressing the join button. The second way is to join from Outlook calendar, so access your Outlook calendar, locate the Teams meeting you want to join, press the join button in the meeting invite. For the third method, you can join from a Teams channel, so navigate to the channel where the meeting was scheduled, look for the meeting link in the channel post, select the purple bar link to join the meeting directly from the channel. The fourth way is to join without Teams installed, so in your email, either Outlook or Gmail, open the meeting invitation, click on the join button in the email or calendar. If you don't have Teams installed, choose continue on this browser. Enter your name and click join now. No Microsoft account is needed. The fifth way is to join using a meeting ID, so find the meeting ID and passcode in the meeting description from your calendar or email. Click the join on the web link. Input the meeting ID and passcode on the page that opens and choose to join using your browser or the Teams app. To configure audio or visual settings, before joining, configure your audio and visual options by choosing to turn off your camera or on, applying a background filter by blurring the background or using an image from the gallery or uploading your own, adjusting which camera and microphone your device will use, using the brightness adjustment and soft focus features to enhance your video quality. You can also adjust audio settings including toggling the microphone on and off and adjusting volume. And that's it. You're now ready to join Microsoft Teams meetings using any of these methods. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.